So I'm Mahesh Sharma and this is my project pitch. Agenda for this task understanding how the facial recognition works and its utility in our project. Then we are use of the fingerprint sensor to access the number of the plate as well as to update whether the student has taken the meal, and it can be checked by the student parent by using a particular app component Raspberry Pi 4 Arduino Nano IoT fingerprint sensor, Pi camera solenoid lock case of the plate where the plate would be kept and can be accessed to the students by using their finger. This is due to the lack of the proper system. The parents of the hostel may not always know if their children meal has been taken or not. As a hostel, we are aware of how the challenging managing a mess card sometimes if it gets stolen or lost, and sometimes day scholar will enter using their friend mess card in violation of the mess rules. So we have designed a mechanism to deal with of this issue. To determine whether a certain people has eaten, a simple mess management system was implemented. We are also updating that information on the web page that the parents can see. Additionally, this approach aid use in the maintaining a record of the meals plate so that there won't be any misunderstanding over the plate. We will construct a facial detection system in accordance with ensuring that only the authorized individual enter. First topic would be going to the facial recognition system. Uh, System is basically adding because of the two main reasons. As managing the mess card is little difficult job for the some hostel students, and for the more authenticity of the student, so that the other student that is from the other hostel or the day scholar do enter. So to overcome this problem we have introduced this system facial recognition, and we are going to apply use this using the library NumPy and OpenCV. Detection would be there if the camera doesn't work due to some changes in the appearance. Then or some if a student if a camera show a student from a certain angle, and and the camera fails to detect the student, then in that situation uh, we will going to use the fingerprint sensor. Topic is plate counting and the attendance in the hostel. Fingerprint sensor to the utility of the fingerprint sensor in this project basically is to unlock the access to the plate in that case, for the case where the plate would be kept, with that scan the finger that will going to be update, and with that scan the finger will be going to update onto the app for the parent whether their child has taken the meal. Application of the fingerprint sensor. First of all, it reveals the detail when the food was consumed, and lastly, that information can be accessed by the guardian of the child. Present solution and my solution, difference between them. So there are the few issues over there in the present solution. As a result, the hostel administration has given out the manual hard copy card, which some students find challenging to use, and which some student find challenging to use it, and also kept it in a good condition. Furthermore, it cannot guarantee completely authenticity, because of a student who does not belongs to the hostel might enter easily using his friend's mess card. Additionally, the card system prevents parents from knowing if their ward has consumed a meal or not. Then my solution would be, in my solution, the approach is quite different. For the entry and the exit of the student who belongs to the hostel is the one part of the mess management system. Parents can regularly check to see if their children has consumed the meal. This strategy also help us to keep a track on the mess plate, so that there won't be any misconception over the plate, to make sure that only authorized people enter. We will build a facial recognition system. Thank you. This is the whole project in on which we will going to work.